What?
I want to Amichi, one to Tata, and one to Daddy.
Okay, I'll do that. Natalie.
And one to Joe Peripa, okay?
Okay. Natalie Schubert. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bong bong? What does that mean? Did you eat an apple? No? You didn't like the apple? Would you like to finish the apple? Where's the apple? Apple.
Banana.
What does that mean?
Nothing. No.
What are you doing, Nicole?
Nothing.
Just chilling out.
Yeah. Hey, Bob, how about you say something and I hold the camera?